Hello, welcome to one short video lo pleasure. Today I think by me Storian no more. Me want them just talk about small no more some like just story. We want the story no more today. Prepare many something to talk about, but just just story and no more small financial management or one me say talo bislama se how bring me look at the money bring me. So you me sabe finish plenty of topics when we start talk about Mr. talk about mainly me how bring me so money you me how blow we manage your money me personally me we start talking small business too. So today me like blow because every time I start telling them also small talk when we start make them say money I mean culture me excuse me money I mean culture me adapt them from one foreign culture make them say very important that you be sabe how blow you sumo you sabe how blow make them money me work play him one right. So yes mana me one way we start talk about plan debe as you start developing come full up you start making much small businesses too more some you got thinking about making business more some you got thinking where making business yet like you slow make them something where sorry excuse me you make them you may not think about business you may got some no more got mindset to making business more some where you may just still stop the stage blow just leave freely, not thinking about anything, but full of time you mean where you mean making business, you miss look on man will making business, thinking you miss totally rich, or you got money, but you mean save asking many something look at or you make them you me or something or same up, making one business really I mean one easy something, I mean that mindset or that mentality where you make out say man will make business you got money full of time kind mentality ne make them say you veteran all business pro narla friend me or family me from time where he start lo make one business he got one passion him or he got one something he drive him he make him business right just make him out of I must cut one something where me drive him make him business more in order to he grow in business him you can pick one he you may run do me support them say time where he just start a business plan you one family friend you look say oh he's doing well in his business and he got all something so stand up you service say one now you make him he got all something all stand up like all house also say we got one resort or we got one small restaurant you serve one expenses where we come inside behind or something will stand up mind mentality blue some thinking blue say but me ask him something like behind me serve one na him sacrifice him in order of business plan me run so Mr. want them give him out talk call Sam or something want them give him that side of the coin I think full up really have finish but let me something where let me contribute to make them downfall the business plan the you me all loman place you loman place from mostly me take them say family comes first you mean have sometimes but you mean time where angeli come talk some say angeli talk you bring say talang no longer na sankel ask one something be you may start giving them na be culture blame me have mix with them business blame me have make them say business blame me go down be one time Mr. want to encourage me let me say you me where you me stop support them all family friend me will start making business you could play you stop you support them all kata like all you making business pokota come ko one stage where only have give equal community or only have help them small family but only have help culture me plan the time and start making more business or have sustain from by me demand them to mass lol family me like make business you ask them call you make them family me make them business too make that hard by him stop give ko by something like business plan maybe run down so some lol tips no more you me where you may want them support them all fellow friends me all fellow families me and make them more business and flourish or and me grow more so yes good to mass mix him culture me with them business you mix him one way where me help him business and me put so me pintalan finish one videos me way past you use all connections me build him up business me you got culture me make you connected very connected lo family bli lo communities around imi sa lo fila imi ka family kasem lo Malekula o imi ka family kasem Santo kasem Torres kasem anaichum imi ka family weli imi connected lo family bridges bli mi pe imi yusum family bridges bli mi aplo mi kem kut fla connection lo business bli mi emi survive rather than imi yusum connection ya bli mi kilim town business panara friend or family bli mi. Yes, I think we mentioned them too. One lot videos when me finish count two and me want something. So count and me want totally different something too. Lo how you mean no more community me can ask him. This business you give him. Business me run by money and business me run by yes. All man no more make them so. Then me want them all fellow friend or family bring you lisa only successful all business pakata. You me yet you must support them all small business pakata. And also yes, I think you mean all woman too. You mean no kata too much. You stop come out to make business. Maybe talk about one video. Me first one say, sometimes hard. You may come up. Sometimes you stop one mindset where you know make business after some time where you stop come plus the thing about making business. Have me one step where you take them, you survey, you come out like comfort zone, where you start plus one something. That's a very first step where you take them making business. So yes, I think full up lol you me all mama where you stop sale 20 vatu. I think full up you me now you come out you try and break them barrier. Yeah? So it you take them one big step you me out low. House no more after you karam kakay mi ko salam lo market lo road market. This is a very big step where samvla lo all mama will you walk all no save make you fly make one big step you come out lo house believe la ko salam 25. So this is a very big step. Mr. Want them encourage you me all mama samvla is the watch there. You want to encourage you me all mama where you come out finish. You me take them that first step where you come out you salam kakay lo 25 too. You Mr. Kukutia now. You may continue to make them kind also after you may not just think small about it. You make one first step finish it. Build on from that. You make one confidence finish you can one confidence you come out please salam 25 market. So build on from that after you make a business plan is sustainable. Sustainable I mean one talk sustainability I mean one talk where you I mean one talk like English where me meaning say you use one way you earn lo small business for you, sabe, help them you, I grow como, I sustain meaning say, so one profit you make them today, you some profitable, you continue help them business for you grow. You make them no more, say you make them tete no more. You make them tete no more after you take them say, you finish an hour, you some profit to you or you some money for next day. You take them tete after you continue you some or you growing business problem, that's what we call sustainability. So yes, I think small talk ano mo, we want them living with them you help them you me growing more businesses you me all mama we salam all 20 keep it up and keep growing from there. You sabi make them one big something out lo first step lo confidence where you take them you come out mo you salam magkakay lo public or road market. Thank you once again for watching. Me hope video me help one way or another, and I hope you have a good one. Thank you, Thomas.